Are your Spybot S&D application failing because of the SD Assistant Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To begin the walkthrough for SD Assistant Library, you can choose the manual path or use a resource designed for environment stability. This is the SD Assistant Library, the Spybot Search and Destroy Assistant Library. It manages the unmanaged hooks into the Windows browser engine to provide real-time protection against malicious URL redirects and tracking cookies. Failure causes browser-integrated scans to hang. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file specifically within the Spybot S&D environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of Spybot S&D to allow the installer to restore SD Assistant Library DLL automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including SD Assistant Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing SD Assistant Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review repair-related information for SD Assistant Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. To keep SD Assistant Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.